Hey guys, I'm finally able to become louder now because inside my room. I haven't played this since my last video. Hey guys, I'm gonna be making this video too. Guys, I just need to tell you something. I have one video that I did with my cousin before my new, and it's still on my account. Well, I have 3 videos uploaded. 2 or 3, one of those, I can't remember. But, can you please subscribe and like down below? I think maybe I'll be able to spectate. No. But guys, I will be saving up for the new emote, the meditation, which I cannot buy currently for some odd reason, not know why. Crystal Caverns, I hate this one. I have played this game in the past before, but as I told you, my account got hacked. I just have a skin, and everything. So cool. I have all my stuff, but got taken away from me. My account got hacked. I used to be called the Toxic Ganju. That used to be my old account, but I changed it into Rondo Will Rock. Cause if you subscribe, if you're a subscriber to me, Rondo you will rock with Rondo, which is me. You'll rock forever. You'll be a Rondo rock star. With Rondo rock. And if some of you, if you want to friend me, I have an open spot, I will. My name is Rondo Rock on Roblox. So yeah, I'm enjoying myself. I used to have Roblox to play Bloxburg. Can't anymore. This dude's stupid. He just left us. Oh, we're all dead. Only one person's alive. Let's see that left us. Wait a moron. That's the way that I can make up. Was that, whoever did that was a douchebag? No! Well guys, we're doing insane. So prepare for insane. Dog sci-fi for, no wait, sinking ship. Oh, I hate this one. Just click one of the words. I'll go for the button. Okay, I won't. I know that people are going over to get it. It should be open. I got it. Oh my god! Guys! Why did I go down? That's freaking bullcrap, guys. But for now, I'm going to try to get into the secret area. Here's painting. It is there, see? There is this little spot right there, see? Right here. Got into it. Finally, guys. I finally did it on camera, guys. This is the area. This is the area. Oh my god, my thing's freaking out. What is going on? Oh, well. Oh my god, It's been a while since I've been in this. Oh my gosh. I can't remember the way fully. But I do remember the meme. We have arrived. This is what's here. This dude right here. Oh my gosh. This dude. By the way, I'm doing the mannequin challenge right now. I'm moving! I lost. But this is the main. When people see me come out of the painting, they're like, what? Ah! So, wait, why does it? Oh my gosh. Ah! This one. I press dive. Oh my gosh. Peekaboo. It's right here. Peekaboo. Oh, come on, let me back in. Let me back in. Oh, it's not gonna let me back in. Dang it. I'm doing an abandoned facility now. Man. I used to have this skin. Jamie. I used to have the meditation emote. And the noob buddy. The noob. I also had this tank right here. That was all good. We're making it down to hard now. Snowy Peak. I think I beat this one. I haven't beat that many hards. I got it. So now we'll go here. Down here. Oh, what the frick? What just happened there? That's the end. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm just sucking at parkour. I'm trying to drown myself now. It's going all wrong for me. Well, I would just like to die now. Yes, kill me! Just kill me. I'll be very happy. If I survive, I'm gonna be clutch. Nope! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Hooray. And the bad thing is, guys, my dog's broken. Guys, that I wasn't zoomed out. I was zoomed in. That made me really mad, and I didn't have enough time to fix it. What's the spool? You guys see this, right? I think you do. Whoa! Boo, 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 boo. Okay, sorry guys. Here's that. Right there. Hey, ow! Good. We am so happy. Oh, 4 survive, so it's gonna remain as hard mode. Could only have survived. Oh, you guys, I think I've done this on. I think I finished this one on camera. Oh, I'm a noob. What the frick? You guys keep seeing that. It goes down when I don't want it to. That always makes me really mad. So I can't get in the water. That's something I can't do. Oh my gosh. The water is raising. Raising too high. That is bad. I'll get it. Don't worry about it. I'll get it. I'm gonna get it. Get it for team. Bruh! I'm gonna get it. No worries. No worries. Go, go, go. God, that's your back. That was weird. That one was like one of the easiest ones. Why isn't been increased to insane? This is bad. No, this is the hardest one in the game. It's the hardest. Oh my gosh, I'm failing. Oh my, well, I'm gonna die, guys. That's all I can say. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. I will die. I'm going to die. Yeah, I'm just gonna accept my fate. You gotta do like the quickest parkour to do this. My little cousin's mad. My little cousin lives with me. My mom, my grandma, my aunt. He's really mad right now. Only one person's alive. I wish I could say, but they don't allow me to. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we're doing the hard. Wait, someone survived Dark Sci-Fi silly? OMG. Oh, I've really never been able to know how to beat this. I've never known how to beat this. I've never known how to beat this. Oh shit. Come on, dude. No. I got it, my dude. Crap. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Don't worry, Rondo will rock.